She goes like, cool.
Oh.
It was foolish.
Well, we got an axe to the stump now.
Yeah, I got to do it. Oh God, it's gonna happen. Oh, you need to let us Californians show.
Wait, hold on, let me get.
Californians, you got to do what you did it too slow.
Alright,
You got this. It took like a lot.
I'm not gonna pull him. Sorry, like that.
I can do it. Do the thing that taught me.
Right there. Alright.
Do the circular swing
That's
up and
not- that's
down
not
motion.
Whoa! Nope. It's
Funny. This game is fun.
Alright. So you start here.
Start at the base and slide down there.
Let it come through. Yep.
There's a lot of swirling now. That's good there. Momentum, man.
Nope.
You chipped off a part.
You're hitting it from that angle though. Try going straight from out. Like you want to circular, try go back to right.
Oh, dude, I know.
I know. That's alright. That's California. So do this. Wait, do that next.
You just did a handstand.
I can't really do much very well. Alright.
Well, we need to first split this.
Yeah.
He did it in 2 axe swings. We took.
I heard the wolf feet. I was like, okay, I got this. They could have just been the other log. Nope. Nope. This. Hey, no. Yeah, one more go, and then you guys can go. Let's see.
Curly, curly.
I guess your curls. That's curly.
I'll be the one who does this.
I'll be the one.
I'll be the savior. Even though I made most of the wounds with my failure.
Alright. Just makes you weaken it. So you
I
know.
know.
I missed here.
I started this.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
I'll go back to this.
I think I'm retarded.
Alright, I'll go a couple times. Alright.
How retarded is curly?
He's, he's just a big puppy.
Curly's awesome.
Alright, we fucking got this. California! 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 California!
It will fall apart.
We will hit this. We're gonna hit this thing to bits. I believe in us. California!
It's getting there.
Justin, how could you ever live in Canada? You never did. You're not Arliss.
I'm not Arliss at all. I don't have 20 moose heads in my house.
Yes?
Ooh, that was a good one.
Good hit.
Good at gaming and everything. Hunting game, video game. Hunting game? He just lives in Canada. We made the 2 X splits in this thing, man. We can do one more.
Yeah.
Paul really wants to go at
Like I
it.
said, eventually we will crack this thing.
We will beat this thing, Paul. If I don't make it on this one, you have it, okay?
Oh,
It's it.
I gotta
just
break
need a little more oomph.
Finish it. Finish it. Strong man.
Finish him.
I'm a strong man.
The side's going to chop off.
Alright, now split it.
Alright. Okay, Paul, you get 5
Come on, Mr.
turns.
Strong Man, you got this.
And I'll pick it up after you.
Oh,
There's like a perfect split down the middle. It just hasn't broken yet.
you need the momentum. Wait, how do you do it?
I'll do it next.
All right.
Yeah.
It's like,
Finish him.
Finish him. Go. Fatality.
Oh,
Oh, it didn't splinter, but he got it.
wait, let.
One more big hit. One more big hit will get it.
Yeah!
California! 20 hits. It took like 10 tries for each one. New California high school score. New Colorado record. Oh, dude, we can do a smaller one.
Dude, you gotta shut the small
That's
one
what's for
down.
that one now. That's our new challenge.
If you can get it out.
God.
Playing an axe now and a bunch of wood.
Playing with axes are fun.
Aaron's got experience. He's got this.
There.
Alright, round 2. Let's see if he splinters it one go.
Right. Yeah, probably.
Let's see if he splinters it one go. And not one go. No new high score. Will he maintain his old record?
Oh.
Oh.
Yep. This next one will do
Down
it.
to
though.
3 hits.
That next one was gonna do it. It's yep. It's already.
No new record.
Oh.
stump kind of sucks. It like beat all of them. Kaylee, quick, you do. You go.
What? No.
Yeah, Kaylee. Yeah, take that, you take the axe.
I'm gonna like kill something.
No, it's okay. Just don't let go of the axe. That's all I ask. Don't let go of the axe. Ow, I got stung by the stick.
Maybe one ant that's inside there might die?
Or termite.
Termite, yeah?
See, this is what we're missing back in California. Axes and wood.
It's simple. Buy axes.
I have an axe.
Buy wood.
On the way in Grand Canyon, just get a bunch of random stuff of wood.
Yeah! One more, Kaylee, one more!
It's heavier than it looks, guys.
It really is. Can
Can I try again? Do this stuff.
Let's play with a new stump. Get a new stump. Take out a new brother.
The axe is unwieldy.
I know, it's like not.
You must tame the axe.
You must master the axe.
Dude, my axe feels like 400 out of 400, man.
Is it really?
No, we didn't split the stump, man.
I thought you were
Yeah, and then slide your hands down to like. Whoa!
That's dangerous.
Aaron's head.
Aaron almost died.
No, it's not.
Well, the axe is kind of dull. One more! It's almost there. Come on, Kayla, one more!
She's in heels. Give her that much.
Yeah! New high score!
California Master
You
Race.
still videotaping it?
Yeah.
California Master
There.
Alright, here, look.
Trade off. Alright. Daniel, jumping attack. Taylor, get out of the way.
Oh, this one.
Daniel, jumping attack. Go.
Ninja.
Get out of the freaking way. Catching tiger.
It's a dragon.
Daniel, Asian double jump attack.
Whatever you want. Double it up.
Come on, Daniel, use the flying axe spin attack.
That one's got a good crack in it, so.
The dog out.
Daniel, flying axe spin.
Yeah, it's right down the center of that line.
Just split down the middle.
Aw, you didn't hit it in the splinter.
Yeah, you did.
The master
Daniel, master race. Splinter without a splinter, Trishan. I'm afraid. Alright, you got one more chance to get to tie with the record, Christian.
It's very effective.
Oh.
Oh, nice hit.